Here the next topic we are having the column. Okay ma, column type of cells. அப்போ எப்படி இருக்கும்? Just they are having a pillar like structures. Pillar பார்த்திருக்கோம் இல்லையா? ஒரு கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன்ஸ் ஒர்க் பண்ணாங்கனாக்கே ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க? பில்லர்ஸ் தான் போடுவாங்க இல்லையா? ஜஸ்ட் லைக் என்ன பில்லர்ஸ் ஆஃப் செல்ஸ். Okay, just like this, the pillars of single layer. We already say that all the simple epithelium are having a single layer of cell, a slender like position and elongated pillar like structures of a cell. Here a nucleus or where it is present at the base of a columnar epithelium. Just like that they are presented to be here at the base of a columnar cell presented of nuclei. Nuclei are located in the base of a cell, and here a columnar epithelium are found in the some of the organs in our body. First one is the stomach. Stomach தெரியும் இல்லையா? Just like this, a stomach, and next one is the gallbladder. Here what is in a gallbladder? They are present in one of the parts of a liver. Liver la attach பண்ணிருக்கோம். What is the major functions na? Livers are secrete the bile. Biles secrete பண்ணும். அவங்க gallbladder என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா just they are temporarily storing the bile. Bile na ஒண்ணுல பித்தம். ஓகேவா? மார்னிங் டைம் எழுந்தா சில பேர் தலையை சுற்றி வாமிட் வரும்னு சொல்லுவாங்களே, ஏன்னா பித்தம் அதிகமாக இருக்குன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஓகேமா? அந்த பித்த பை தான் என்ன சொல்லுவாங்கன்னா கால் பிளாடர்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஓகே, ஹியர் தே ஆர் present in the liver part. Okay, and next one bile duct. That is the bile duct, the storing materials of a bile. And next one a small intestine. A small intestine, as you know that in a small intestine, and colon. Here a colon, which means one of the part of a large intestine. A large intestine la ஒரு part தான் colon. Okay, and next one oviduct. What is an oviduct? You are usually seen an ovary part of a female. They are a formation of ovum, that is the oviduct. And next one mucous membrane. What is the next one? Mucous membrane. Mucus, which means they are secreting a jelly like substance, that is the word mucus. Okay, mucus secrete பண்றதுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, சளின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா? So that is kind of a jelly like substance, that is the mucus. Okay, here these are all the organs are found at the columnar epithelium. இந்த organsல எல்லாமே columnar epithelium type of cells தான் founded ஆயிருக்கு, that is covered ஆயிருக்கு. Okay, here they are having some involvement of secretion. Involvement of secretion and absorption also. Here what is a secretion, what is an absorption? First thing I have to see the secretion. Here a secretion, gallbladder they secrete the hormone, and here a mucus they are done the secretion. And absorption, small intestine they are absorbing nutrition. A large intestine just they are eliminating to the some of the waste and absorbing the water in that. Oviduct they are some of the are absorbing some enzyme to form a follicular cells. Okay, these are all the absorption function. So that's it for columnar epithelium. I hope you have to understand this. Just have to recall and once again, columnar epithelium, column like structures of cells இருக்கும். Okay ma, just a pillar like structures. Nucleus எங்க இருக்கும்? Base of the cells ல இருக்கும். மோஸ்டா இந்த organs, அதாவது stomach, gallbladder, small intestine, colon, oviduct, mucus, இந்த organs எல்லாமே columnar epithelium ஆனது. Okay, so that's it for a columnar epithelium. Let me move on the next one, ciliated epithelium. What is the next one? Ciliated epithelium. Here a ciliated, we already said that they are having a ciliary muscles. Just muscles இருக்கு. muscles இருக்குங்களா? அதுக்கு மேலே பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா அந்த upper surface area they are having some ciliary muscles, just like this. Okay, here a ciliary muscle in the columnar cells are bear. This is the bear a number of a delicate hair like structure. Delicate, which mean very smooth muscle. Delicate hair like structures of muscles are in that presented in the column, that is the ciliated muscles part, that is the what, ciliated epithelium. Just they are formed as a outgrowth. Here they are functions of move the mucus. நான் எப்படி சொல்லியிருக்கேன் இல்லையா, ஜஸ்ட் தே ஆர் ஷோவிங் அ ஜிக்ஸாக் மூமெண்ட்டை கொடுத்து ஒரு மூமெண்ட்டை கொடுத்து ஒரு மியூக்கஸாக இருக்கட்டும், ஒரு ஃபுட் மெட்டீரியல்ஸாக இருக்கும், ஜஸ்ட் தே ஆர் ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபரிங் ஃப்ரம் தி one place to another place, that is a specific direction over the epithelium. Move the food materials or some substance in their specific directions over a epithelium. For an example, in our head portions la யூஸ்வலாகவே நம்ம ஹியூமன்ஸில் ஹேர் ஃபாலிகல்ஸில் சம் செக்ரீஷன் ஆஃப் சம் மியூக்கஸ் என்ன பண்ணும், ஆயில் கிளான்ஸ் யூஸ்வலாகவே செக்ரீட் பண்ணும் இல்லையா. அப்போது அது ஈவனாக எல்லா ஏரியாவுக்கும் ஸ்ப்ரெட் பண்ணுறதுக்காக அங்கே இருக்க சில சீலியரி மசில்ஸ் எல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணோம்னா, ஜஸ்ட் தேர் கிவிங் அ வேவிங் மூமெண்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் ஈவனாக ஸ்ப்ரெட் பண்ணிடும். அது மட்டும் இல்லாமல் இஃப் யூ டேக்கன் ஈசோஃபேகஸில் ஸ்மால் சீலியரி மசில்ஸ் மாதிரி இருக்கும். ஓகேமா, food materials இங்கே enter ஆச்சுன்னா just they are giving a waving movement to transferring the food material and enter into the stomach. So this is what a movement of an ciliary muscle. Here they are presented. The first one is the trachea. Where it is presented here, a trachea, and next one windpipe. That is the another name of an trachea. Next one is the bronchi, and next one is the kidney. That is the kidney tube, fallopian tube, and oviduct. We see that one by one. What is a trachea? A trachea is a long windpipe. Okay, a long windpipe மாதிரி இருக்கும். Inside of a trachea there are having some ciliary muscle just help to passing of an air that enter into the lungs. And here a windpipe, this is called as a windpipe. And next one they are having a bronchi. This is the what bronchi, just they are help to entering of air into the lungs. And next one they are having a kidney. In a kidney they are having a number of ciliary muscles, just they are entering of a nitrogenous waste with the help of a nephron, just they are filtering to that. இப்போ ஃபில்டர் பண்ணி என்ன பண்ணும், திரும்ப யூரினரி பிளாடருக்கு சென்ட் பண்ணணும். அப்போ சென்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்காக இந்த டியூப்ஸ் தே ஆர் ஹேவிங் அ சீலியரி மசில்ஸ். இப்போது இங்கே ஸ்டோர் பண்ணி வைக்கணும் இல்லைங்களா. அப்போது இங்கே சென்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு வித் ஹெல்ப் ஆஃப் அ சீலியேட்டட் மசில் ஜஸ்ட் என்டர் டு தி யூரினரி பிளாடர். அண்ட் ஃபெல்லோப்பியன் டியூப், ஹியர் தி ஃபெல்லோப்பியன் டியூப், that is the female reproductive tract. What is the major functions na? Once the egg get rupture and released from the ova, here the fallopian duct are received from that fallopian, that is the fallopian tubes are receive the ova with the help of a ciliated epithelium. receive பண்ணி இங்கே இருக்கிற ஓவமை யூட்ரஸ்க்கு ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் பண்ணும். ஓகே, and that is a major function of fallopian tube. And oviduct, we already say that oviduct. Okay, so that's it for an ciliated epithelium. I hope you have to understand to that ciliated epithelium. And last one we are having the glandular epithelium. What is the last one? Glandular epithelium. Here glandular gland cells. Okay, most of the gland cells having the cuboidal, sorry for that, most of the gland cells having the glandular epithelium. Here they are after modified as a specialized gland. They are formed in the specialized gland to secrete some of the chemical hormones. Here that specialized gland. Okay, a specialized glands, a glands are like secretion of an enzyme, that is the chemical substance, and a chemical substance secreted in their epithelial surface. Where they are secreted? Here epithelial surface area. Here they are having some organs in their epithelial surface area. A first one is the gastric gland. What is the first one here? A gastric gland. And next one is the pancreatic tubules, and next one is the intestinal gland. Here a first one gastric, they are involvement of an alimentary canal at the time of a digestive process. Okay, there is a gastric gland, a pancreatic, that is also secretion at the time of a digestion. When they are increasing a glucose level, they are secretion of an insulin. Then in glucose level, they are secreting the insulin to suppressing a glucose level. Just they are maintaining a glucose level. And if they are low level of glucose in your body, just a secretion of glycogen secrete பண்ணி increase பண்ணும். Okay man, here intestinal glands are HCl secretor of HCl, just decomposer waste bacterial materials in our body, just decompose food material into simple particles also. So that's it for an glandular epithelium. So we are complete our today lesson, that is the simple epithelial cell. It is very very easy to that. What we have seen, just after recall and once again what we have seen this class. The first one is the simple epithelium, right? In the simple epithelium, the first one we have seen the squamous, and next one we have seen the cuboidal, and next one, third one we have seen the columnar, and next one is the ciliated, and next one is the glandular. I hope you have to understand to this. Okay student, you have to note down all these things in your observation note. Okay, thank you. Remaining topic we have to see in the next class. Okay student, thank you student.